The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming Desktop. A runner-up in this category, it offers an impressive balance of price and performance. Arguably, the most crucial component of a gaming PC is the graphics card, responsible for rendering the stunning visuals that immerse gamers in their digital worlds. The more potent your GPU, the smoother and faster your games will run, and the better they'll look. This CyberPowerPC is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, a capable GPU that can comfortably run 826 of the most popular games at their recommended settings. The heart of this machine is its Intel Core i5-9400F processor, capable of speeds up to 2.9 GHz. This level of processing power means it can easily handle 865 of the top 1,000 PC games at their recommended levels. Consequently, this pre-built gaming rig can smoothly run popular games such as GTA 5, Apex Legends, Minecraft, and Fortnite. Designed with gaming in mind, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Desktop is VR ready, boasting high-performance Intel CPUs and GPUs. Its high-speed memory and spacious hard drive allow it to dedicate all its resources towards delivering an unrivaled gaming experience. Whether it's VR or traditional games, you can expect a fully immersive experience from this machine. As for the CPU's performance, it's future-proofed enough to remain relevant for quite some time. In terms of gaming at 1080p, the synergy between the GPU and CPU ensures a consistent 60 FPS in nearly every major title currently on the market, promising longevity. This model comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 120 GB SSD, a 1 TB HDD, a 500-watt power supply, built-in Wi-Fi, Windows 10 pre-installed, and a basic keyboard-mouse combo. 8 GB of RAM has become the standard for gaming, allowing you to run demanding games and VoIP applications like Discord simultaneously. If you're a heavy multitasker, consider upgrading to 16 GB of RAM. A 500-watt power supply fuels the system, sufficient for its current configuration. However, if you plan on upgrading to more robust hardware, you may need a more powerful PSU. The 1 TB HDD provides ample storage for all your games and less frequently used programs. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it.